Hello everyone, this is Rizwan from Ridz Creations, and today we are going to working on the Flutter challenge. We build a mobile application like calculator. So here we will start. So guys, I created a stateful visits with the name of calculator screens, and here I create a scaffold. And now we will create a body inside the container, and now inside the background, and now we set the body column that contain containers, and this will be the two part. Here we set two container, one container height of 40%, another 60%. Okay, so I have set the scaffold background color which I have already created. So we will set the border radius here, border radius dot only, because we want to set the top left and top right. The radius should be 15 ohm, and left top left radius should be 15 ohm. And we will set the background color also, means color. It has a property of color. I have set my color dot calculator. Now I think the border radius should be more, should be 30. Okay, now we will create a custom buttons for the calculator, and here we will set child, and contain actually it contain row, and that row contain several the column contain several okay. So here we set the custom buttons. I will create a static last visit buttons with the name of button. Okay, now we will create a button. The child contain text center, and we'll set the label, and color should, we'll set the color here too. Actually color should be dynamic, and we'll create a function on tab, and here we'll set interval, and set the function on tab to tab. Okay, now we'll set the level. If the level is null, so value will be C as a default value, and we'll set the color, container color should be color. If color is null, it should display the white color. Let's check. We should give some height and width, so it will work. It's look very pretty. We'll set the padding to 10. Okay. Color should be my created color, and text color should be white. We set the style, text style, color font weight should be 20, and color should be white. it's actually a dynamic color wheel, so create another variable for the colors text level color. We refactor the and set the create a color another color or the name of level color and share it in here. And if the level color is null, it will set to the white. And we'll get some height and width. Okay, now we will create some decoration. Yeah, this is the way to create show to put the value dynamically. Okay, now we will set some decorations for the buttons. So here I will check some it. Okay, it's look better, and we set the decorations, box decorations. Box decoration dot only and content at the top left and top right side should be 30. Okay, it's look good, and we remove the padding else so that look better. And now we need to increase the font size. We will give the functionalities like button should have a left top border or right top border during the during creating a dynamic buttons. So guys, we have set the radius circular conditions. If the top left word is true, so it show the radius, otherwise will not show the circular radius. Okay, same on the same way we'll set the top left. Okay, and now we'll set the height variable because we will by using his designs. So guys, follow me and subscribe my channels, and I hope I will try my best to provide more informations about the Flutter, and will teach you lots of things. So I have set the text for the level and set the font size 40, and will set the font weight should be W500, and color should be white, and we will set the padding here, left padding, left and bottom should be 20, and left, no, right side, right should be 10. Oh, okay, now it's look better. So you have been done, guys, and in the next video I will show you how we can implement a business logic and everything. So subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.